not on camera, don't worry.
I want to ask you, Shanti, about where to draw the line between being open and accepting of positive.
Okay, so this is a very good question. Why very good question? Because people say be positive, right? You know, trust everyone. Like you go in a street and you say everyone is friendly. Somebody will come with a knife or gun. What would you do? So main important thing is trusting after maintaining the inner center. That means be focused within, then become trusting. So being trusting or positive on the surface without establishing the center, your trust is only in the mind and emotion. When the trust comes from the heart, you carry the power. When you carry the power, your positivity will overpower others. But when you don't have that inner connection, then your positivity is, I have to be positive because I was told to be positive. Okay. So this positivity doesn't come from outside. This is programming. You know, there are so many self-help books. Be positive, think positive. They consider like mind and emotion, I would say. Go deep within and let it come from within as positivity. Also, another thing I always say, be like a coconut and not like a peach. Okay, that's my famous saying. Like deep inside you keep soft heart, loving and kind heart, but in behaving with the world, remain normal. Because what happens when somebody finds out you have soft heart, you become kind and try to help out, people think this person is gullible and will push you. So people squeeze the peaches, okay, but nobody squeezes the coconut. So be coconut on the surface, then you have softness within your heart. Okay, that means you have chance to be softer when you need to be. But once you let everyone know I'm kind and helping, people take advantage of you. Okay, so being strong inside is necessary. Soft heart and be on the surface normal. Like, so positivity also should be applied at proper time and proper place. Right? So just like don't throw the pearls in front of a swine. If you try to help someone, but persons are not worthy, you are wasting your energy. Another guideline is just overall for any spiritual practices, something that gives you joy and makes you stronger inside, that is the right path. Even if you are doing right thing and depletes your energy and you feel weaker, then you are doing wrong thing. And this is programming. People try to do good into others and they drain themselves. And this is why you are the focus. Strengthen yourself. We have no obligation to help others or save the world. It is only when you have surplus you offer. Okay. If you keep this principle, then you will always be happy. If you help someone, but without any conditions, like given, that means you give with your right hand, your left hand doesn't know. Then giving is all right. But when we give, we expect thank, we expect reward, and we get hurt. So the bottom line, we work on ourselves, we should maintain our inner peace all the time. All the situation will strengthen us instead of weaken us. So somebody is evil, you learn a lesson from that to gain spiritual maturity. And somebody is nice to you, be grateful. Situations which are positive and helpful, be thankful to God for those opportunity, so you use for evolution and meditation. And when hardships come in your life, thank you, God, for reminding me, because if I become very comfortable, I forget thee. So these are the kind of approaches, and we have to be flexible with it.